Hi there, guys. Hope everyone's had a good day today as well. We're coming towards the weekend and Sunday, Friday left now. Had a pretty crazy day actually in trading. Nicely put because there was a lot of movement. But on the opposite end now, pound dollar and especially pound pairs were actually making a comeback generally across the board. Euro was still kind of like in its doldrums. You can see starting off here, you can see there's a massive move down again towards the red fib channel up here on euro dollar. You can see for the results. Let me share with you what happened through the day. So first thing first, starting up in the morning, seven in the morning. Here was where the um, where you can see it's kind of like mad zooming that in. Um, so here's where you can see what was happening. Um, you can see how we were expecting a long kind of. You can see that uh, this was a pattern shown by the analyst, and here you go. You can see the pattern nicely performing here for a counter long pullback, and after that there was another analysis done, and then following off. You see it nicely worked out here. You can see as well. Considered 2 o'clock. Boom. If it was to perform a pullback, short pullback would be at this level, and then you can see boom right there. It performed it and went straight down for a massive big bearish move on Euro USD. Um, Again, you can see still there's a lot of bearish sentiment up here. Um, Again, possibly at this level it might bounce back as you can see, but still we've got to look for the price to actually cross previous high and do a retest up here at the 17845 mark. A retest happens. 1.17845 mark. Euro dollar. Pound dollar again. Oh, crazy day for the pound dollar as well. It was quite up and down movement, but then generally it was a full-on kind of in a bullish momentum. Pound dollar generally, you can see up here starting off where it was there at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going early in the morning. Then here it was where it was, starting off in again from previous session 7:30 in the morning. It looked like if it was to cross over from there, then you were looking at that kind of movement. If this was a breakout trade opportunity where we saw that if the price had really taken above 136925 at that time, you'd be going for a long move. And then you had lovely bullish run there at around 9:30. It started, and 10 o'clock analysts kind of like advised and consider banking some pips or moving stop loss to break even if people wanted to stay in that trade. And then throughout the day, it kind of kept on inching up. You can see that at 2 o'clock analysis up here. Again, when there was another analysis done around 3:30 because the price was in sort of a consolidation phase up here. So at the moment as well, you can see inching up here, but still kind of consolidated on the between the 137430 mark and just around the 137430 mark. You would look for a if our price was to go above about 137450, then you'll be looking at a long continuation of long. Otherwise, if it was to retest below the, you can see big resistance up here, um, and that's kind of like a 137185 mark with a retest, and preferably probably a better off waiting for the price to go below the 200 GMA line because that's a good strong resistance I support up there. The pound dollar. Dollar CAD as well. Again, interesting dollar CAD. Dollar CAD had some movements going downwards. It actually broke bearish first part of the day about 10:44, and then straight away it did a comeback right there. You can see that was around 2 o'clock when we saw that there was this movement up here. Movement. So results wise, you can see up here again showing you in live actually how the results worked out. 7:30. 9, you can see 10:44 what had happened. 2 o'clock, which was 2:46, boom, it had crept up again, broken high, just like this. You can see the analysis up here. It was a long after the retest. So fantastic moves on dollar CAD there as well, guys. Again, at the moment you're looking at a possible, again, it's in a consolidation phase. I mean, if you wish to retest below 125985, the retest, you'd be looking at a short. You can see the momentum is decreasing. If it was to carry above 126230, yes, that's 126230. If it goes above, especially the blue fib channel, then you'd be looking at a long move for dollar CAD. Okay, guys, I hope this has been helpful. I mean, I would strongly say, I mean, I normally cover euro yen as well. Euro yen was a bit sort of a up and down kind of thing. You can see it was a kind of like a V movement, like a V recovery in the first part of the day up here. You can see, and then kind of again consolidated for a while, and then broke short. Again, it's euro's weakness more so than anything. You can see again, pound yen actually was in a other phase. You know, pound was going at 158, touched earlier today on 5 o'clock on the bull movement. So, you know, euro was kind of weak through the day. So this is where we are, guys. Again, www.forexeasytrades.com. But if you have any questions, get in touch with me. Whenever you see that this video, send me a message, and we can then see what you're interested in and take it from there. I mean, we've got an award-winning analyst here, London Forex Trade Show 2019 winner, who's actually gives us these analyses Monday to Friday. You can see even for the Asian trading session, these analyses have just been done 15-20 minutes ago, just so that the traders sitting in the morning session, Asian trading session, basically around 1 o'clock or so in the morning, they have something to go by up here. You can see all the analysis on this pound franc, for example, where it sees the opportunities, breakout trade opportunity for long or short. Again, all the pairs, we've got 12 pairs up here, including gold and dollar. So you've got a lot of variety, guys. It's perfect platform for people to learn, because you've got 13-year experience for this trade analyst, and for experts who are looking to get that extra edge in their game. This is where to find it. So I hope this has been helpful, guys. Get in touch, and we can see how we can help you out. Take care. Have a great end to the week.